If you want to install gmic in GIMP 3.0, this video is going to walk you through the process step by step in the simplest way possible. gmic is one of the most powerful plugin tools you can add to GIMP because it gives you access to tons of creative filters, enhancement tools, and advanced image effects all inside your editor. So if you've been wondering how to get it working in GIMP 3.0, you're in the right place. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official gmic website. From there, look for the stable gmic-qt Windows installer that is specifically made for GIMP 3. This part is important because you want the version that matches GIMP 3.0 so everything installs correctly and shows up where it should. Once you find the installer, download the windows.exe file to your computer. After the download finishes, go to your Downloads folder and locate the file. You should see the gmic-qt installer ready to run. Now double-click the .exe file to launch the installation wizard. Windows may ask you for permission to run the installer, so if that happens, click Yes to continue. As the setup opens, you'll see the terms and installation prompts. Accept the terms, then click Next to move forward through the wizard. The installer is designed to make this process easy, so you usually don't need to manually configure much. One of the best things about this installer is that it should automatically detect your GIMP path. That means it looks for your GIMP 3.0 installation on its own and places gmic in the correct location without you having to browse for folders or copy files manually. This saves a lot of time and helps avoid mistakes. If the path is detected correctly, just continue with the installation by clicking Next and then Install. Give it a moment while the files are copied and the plugin is set up on your system. When the installation finishes, click Finish to close the wizard. At this point, the plugin should be installed successfully. Now here's the final step: relaunch GIMP 3.0. If GIMP was already open during the install, close it completely and open it again so the new plugin can load properly. Once GIMP opens, go to the Filters menu at the top. Inside Filters, you should now see gmic-qt listed there. That means the installation worked, and you're ready to start using all the gmic filters inside GIMP. If you click it, the gmic interface should open, and you can begin exploring the different effects and tools available. So that's it. You've now installed gmic in GIMP 3.0 using the official Windows installer, and confirmed that it appears under Filters as gmic-qt. If this tutorial saved you time, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next GIMP tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.